Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass 100XL by Leer. It's 09 to 18 Ram, full-size truck with a 6.4 bed. It's in pretty decent shape. Doesn't have much going on. Little scratches right there, little nick in the paint there. Dark red in color. PRP is the paint code. Really doesn't have much going on here. The top and the top edge look good. There's a small scratch right down there, and then there's one here. Looks like a scratch that was touched up at one point in time. Bottom edge looks good. Looks good there. Does have the half side sliders in the side. Front has a sliding window. You can kind of see some of the scratch right there. Get up here at the top, we got another one at the very top and a couple chips there on the top corner. Does have a couple spots here and there. There's another one there. Another one here, just a couple on the top, on the front edge here. There's a little scratch on the top too. Not really sure why there's nicks on there. Another one right there. Kind of an odd place to have nicks behind the cab like that, but it does have a sliding window. So you can slide window open, window slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. And you can close it back up. Seal that back up again. Side looks good. Small little minor scuff right there. Not even very bad. Top and the top edge on this side look good as well. Well, it does have a scratch right there. And a small scuff right there. Really, all in all, this doesn't have much damage on it. It does have a small scuff right above the trim on the bottom edge there. And a little bit of a, looks like a nick right there on the edge of the cap there. But I don't know, it doesn't, could be just a blemish in the paint too, I can't really tell. Bottom edge on this side looks really nice. Half side slider on this side as well. Frameless single T handle rear door, locking rear door. Back edge looks nice. Top back edge looks good. You got a couple scratches right here across the top. Not sure, they're pretty small, minor scratches, but they are there. Window opens up. It is carpeted on the inside. Screens on this side look good. Not seeing any holes on it. You said it is carpeted. It does have the clothes hangers there, so these pop open. I don't know if I can get that does pop open and drops down so you can hang clothes, what have you, up in there, and then it latches back up in place. Screens on this side looks good. Not seeing any holes on this side either. That looks good. Serial number 100XL 6.4 Dodge Ram. It was for a quad cab 09. PRP was a color. There it is, got a Leer 100XL. It's a 2009, 2018 Ram. 6.4 bed. I also fit the Ram Classic from 19 to 23 with a 6.4 bed, Ram Classic body style. PRP red. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're trying to keep up to date what's coming in, so you can find something for your truck, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.